Hi there, I'm Brienne with KitchenAid. I love to cook, but not the cleanup that goes along with it. That's why I'm so excited to show you this dishwasher from KitchenAid. Its flexible loading possibilities and cleaning options are designed to keep up with whatever you cook up. Let's open it up and take a look. What really sets this dishwasher apart is the new FreeFlex third rack. It's the largest third rack available. These deep angles let you load glasses, mugs, and even prep bowls. And it's the only third rack with rotating wash jets that circulate water in and around the dishes, cleaning items in the rack. There's amazing attention to detail too. You know how glasses sometimes come out with that chalky drip mark on the edge? Well, this side of the rack has a drying bar with tabs designed to help wick water off glasses during the dry cycle. They think of everything. The removable utensil tray here comes in handy for all those little tools you don't want to wash by hand after dinner. Spatulas, mixer beaters, measuring cups, silverware. Being able to fit so much up here frees up extra space in the racks below. Plus, you're able to adjust this middle rack up or down depending on what else you might need to load. Look, a KitchenAid stand mixer bowl fits easily. And these stemware holders secure your wine glasses so they don't get jostled around during the wash cycle. Load it all in at once from prep to party. These racks slide so easily even when fully loaded. Both the middle rack and the full height lower rack have adjustable rows, so you're able to make room for serving bowls and other awkward dishes. And you're still left with plenty of space for plates, platters, and other tall items. You can even fit a blender jar in here. Clearly, this dishwasher can fit a lot of dishes. Now let me tell you about how it cleans. The filter here in the bottom is part of the advanced clean water wash system. It uses microfiltration to continuously remove food during the wash and rinse cycles and circulate clean water to dishes in all three racks. That way, you can load your messiest pots and pans with glasses and other not so dirty items and know everything will come out clean. And the filter itself needs no routine maintenance. Let's look at a few go-to settings. This is the Pro Wash cycle. It senses the level of cleaning needed and adapts to what you're washing. This is a huge help if you're the type of cook who is always cleaning up after something different. Baking days, weeknight meals, dinner parties. Don't think about it, just select Pro Wash and hit start. Over here is the Pro Dry option. It activates a heater and a fan to give dishes a thorough dry, so they come out ready to be used again. And the cleaning is so quiet, you can run the dishwasher during dessert, instead of waiting until your guests have gone. And you can choose a style that works for your kitchen. This one is stainless steel with print shield finish that resists smudges and fingerprints. It has a textured towel bar handle. It's also available in black stainless steel with print shield finish. Or if you prefer a sleek look, both finishes are available with a pocket handle design, which complements a variety of kitchen styles. If you're a maker like me and love to cook but not to clean, this amazing dishwasher from KitchenAid will quickly become your favorite kitchen assistant.
You know, nobody likes to do dishes, but it's really not that bad if you have one of these. Now, as you can see, the tub of the dishwasher and the main parts are all made of stainless steel, which means longer life. It's also equipped with the inverter power drive motor, which assures high performance with a notably quieter function and low energy consumption. I call it wallet friendly. All right, now this won't be a problem. Fully inox tub is one of the largest on the market. 3 baskets allow up to 16 plate settings at a time. This fully flexible interior allows for different loading options. You know, when it comes to performance, this really is the one. This dishwasher has 3 spray arms. There is a new top spray arm for up to 30% better cleaning results. Clean dishes, guaranteed. All right, now, which program to choose? there is this excellent automatic program. The innovative sensor technology allows the machine to automatically perceive how soiled the dishes are. Thus, glassware and porcelain items are washed excellently at low temperatures, while heavy-duty pots and pans are treated with higher temperatures. Also, 15-minute speed wash program is very convenient. So all you have to do is set up your dishwasher for 1 hour and then add speed wash program. Dishes will be ready before I clap my hands twice. Whoa! Did you see that? The door opens at the end automatically, and that allows fresh air to go in and dry the crockery completely. Cool, right? There's one more thing to point out. Taking care of your favorite housekeeper. To prevent any bacteria and smell, you can run the self-clean program. Even if you do it just once a month, you'll never have to hand scrub the dishwasher hub, spray arms, and pipes again. Less cleaning, more free time, right? I think we've covered the most important features of the dishwasher. Now, if you would like to know more information, please read the details about the product. And now, we can put them back on the shelves.
You're tired from work, but your sink is still filled with dirty dishes that need to be washed. This is why the Series 8 freestanding dishwasher is just what you need. It has a capacity of 13 place settings and 8 different programs that include 3 automatic washing programs, a night wash, and quick wash. That is not all. This dishwasher also has 5 options to go along with the washing programs for you to choose from. Brilliant Dry, Intensive Zone, Vero Speed Plus, Half Load, and Hygiene Plus. With Hygiene Plus, it keeps the water warm at 70 degrees Celsius for a longer period of time. This cleans your dishes thoroughly, removing germs and bacteria. The Vero Speed Plus option helps to save more than half your time cleaning and drying your dishes, so that you can focus on the things you love. The glass protection technology uses water at 45 degrees Celsius to rinse and clean the wine glasses, preserving the crystal clear shine. Thanks to zeolith technology, your dishes will come out perfectly dry. These zeolith minerals regenerate after each wash cycle, so there is no need to replace them in your dishwasher ever. If you are looking for a dishwasher that dries perfectly as it cleans, then this would be your absolute choice.